Hello everyone, ready for another high dollar action packed video? Alright, anyway, you can see the video is about keeping a firearms journal or record. This is what I use. It's a little heavy paper, cardstock paper sheet I get from here. I get it locally at the Sportsman's Warehouse. It's basically a sporting goods store that caters to hunting and outdoors, and they also have firearms there. So I picked this up. There's 10 per box. As you can see, it tells you the manufacturer, the model, serial number, type, caliber, date acquired, cost, purchase location, sold and transferred date, which is a new one. That's not on my old card. Basically, I had a couple cards here that I had crossed some things out and had to add other things to, and I'm just going to clean it up a bit. Another good idea is to get a thumb drive and take pictures of your firearms and any identifying marks. So anything that makes them unique, even scratches, anything like that. That way when they do, or hopefully never, get stolen or lost, you'll have some way to prove that they're yours. A lot of times these are found and no one comes and claims them, or they don't know how to find their owner, and whatever, etc., etc. So this is just a good way to keep track. Also, for certain people that buy and sell a lot, it helps you keep track of what you have and what you don't have. It's just a way to keep track of stuff. So many of you probably already do this. I never did until a few years ago. I have started, and it's just a good idea to keep it current, keep it updated, and just keep track of your stuff. Thanks for watching.